Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a complete guide on how to use Digistore24 to make money and full Digistore24 affiliate marketing tutorial. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to start earning money online, and platforms like Digistore24 make it incredibly straightforward by connecting you with thousands of digital products you can promote. You don't need to create your own product, handle customer service, or manage delivery. Your job is to refer customers. In this detailed guide, we'll cover every single step of the process on Digistore24, ensuring you know exactly what to do to begin your journey. First, we need to create your free affiliate account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Digistore24 website. On the homepage, look for the Register or Sign Up button, which is typically located in the top right corner. Clicking this will take you to the registration form. You'll be asked to provide basic information, such as your full name, a valid email address, and your country of residence. You will also create a secure password for your account. It is very important to use accurate and real details here, as this information is tied to your identity for tax purposes and is where your future earnings will be reported and paid out. The best part is that signing up as an affiliate is completely free. There is no upfront cost or subscription fee required to join. Once you fill out and submit the form, you must check your email inbox for a verification message from Digistore24. Click the verification link inside that email to fully activate your new account. Now that your account is active, return to the Digistore24 homepage and click the login button. Enter the email address and password you just registered with. Upon logging in, you will be taken directly to your main affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for everything. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout and menu options. You will see navigation tabs or side menus for important sections like reports, where you can later track sales data, payouts for managing your earnings, and tools for accessing promotional assets. Our immediate goal is to find products, so look for a prominent button or tab labeled Marketplace. This is the gateway to Digistore24's entire catalog of affiliate products. Clicking into the marketplace reveals the vast selection of digital products available for promotion. You'll see a wide array of categories listed. This is a critical moment for your strategy. Rather than picking products at random, success comes from choosing a niche, a specific focused area you are passionate about or have some knowledge in. Promoting within a niche makes your content more authentic and helps you build a dedicated audience. Browse through the categories, which include popular areas like health and fitness, business and money, arts and entertainment, software, e-learning, and many more. Let's assume you have an interest in personal finance. You would click on the business and money or finance category. This action filters the vast marketplace to show only the digital products, such as investment ebooks, budgeting courses, and financial planning software that fall under that topic. With your niche category selected, it's time to evaluate individual products. Scroll through the list and click on a product title that stands out to you. This opens the product's detailed information page. You must analyze several key factors here before deciding to promote it. First, examine the commission structure clearly displayed. It will state whether you earn a percentage of the sale price, e.g., 60% commission, or a fixed flat fee per sale, e.g., $45 per sale. Next, critically review the product sales page and materials. Watch any sales videos and read the description. Ask yourself, does this seem like a high-quality, valuable product? Would you personally buy it? Promoting quality products protects your reputation with your audience. Also, check for available affiliate support tools. Many product creators provide ready-made banners, email swipe copy, social media posts, and text links. These resources are invaluable for saving time and launching your promotions faster. Once you've thoroughly vetted a product and decided it's a good fit, the next action is to obtain your unique affiliate link. On the product's information page, you will find a clear button that says Promote this product or Get Affiliate Link. Clicking this button generates a pop-up window or directs you to a new page containing your personalized tracking link. This link is specially coded with your affiliate ID. Any customer who clicks this link and later makes a purchase will be tracked back to you, ensuring you receive credit for the sale. Copy this link carefully. You can now use this raw link, or later use Digistore24's link tracking tools to create shorter, cleaner, or custom-named links that are more user-friendly and professional-looking for your promotions. Now comes the most important part, creating effective promotions. Simply pasting your affiliate link online is not a strategy. To be successful, you must provide genuine value to your audience first. This is where building a simple marketing system becomes essential. After copying your affiliate link, the next logical step is to direct potential customers to a dedicated landing page or a simple sales funnel instead of sending them directly to the vendor's sales page. This allows you to build an email list and follow up with your audience. To do this for free, you can use a platform like Systema.io. Open a new browser tab and search for Systema.io. On their website, click to register for a free account. System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that includes a free plan with a funnel builder and a built-in email autoresponder, which is perfect for beginners. After signing up and logging in, you can start building a simple funnel. A basic funnel might start with a landing page, where you offer a valuable freebie related to the product, like a short PDF guide, a checklist, or a video training, in exchange for the visitor's email address. This page should end with a button that leads to your Digistore24 affiliate link. The system will then automatically add that person to your email list. With their email captured, you can then use the email autoresponder to run a nurturing campaign. This means you can automatically send a sequence of helpful emails that provide more value, build trust, and naturally introduce the paid product you're promoting, including your affiliate link. This method is far more effective than a single social media post because it builds a relationship. If you're unsure how to build a sales funnel or set up an automated email campaign, there are many detailed tutorial videos available that can walk you through the process step by step on platforms like YouTube. Honesty is the best policy in affiliate marketing. Make sure to always let your audience know you're using an affiliate link with a clear disclaimer. This transparency isn't just a legal formality, it's what builds genuine long-term trust with your followers, making them more likely to value your recommendations. As you run your campaigns, you'll want to keep a close eye on what's working. Your Digistore24 dashboard has a comprehensive report section where you can monitor your vital stats in real time, tracking everything from how many clicks your links receive to the number of confirmed sales and your growing commission totals. Now, consistently creating the high-quality content needed for your funnels, emails, and social promotions, especially engaging video content, can be one of the biggest time commitments. This is where leveraging the right technology can give you a massive advantage. Instead of spending hours learning complex editing software, many successful affiliates now use AI video creation tools to produce professional content in a fraction of the time. A platform I highly recommend for this is Pictory.ai. It's an incredible tool that can automatically transform your blog posts, scripts, or even a simple list of key points into polished professional videos. Pictory.ai finds relevant visuals, adds a matching soundtrack, and can even generate a clear voiceover and captions, all with just a few clicks. Using Pictory.ai allows you to rapidly create video reviews, tutorials, and promotional clips that captivate your audience, saving you countless hours of manual work and helping you scale your affiliate promotions much more effectively. If you want to check it out and see how it can streamline your content creation, I've left a link for Pictory.ai in the video description below.